It's about one of my favorite ingredients, cheese. Growing up Italian, we ate some fantastic cheese dishes. I'm gonna show you how they're done. I'm making a delicious stuffed chicken with sausage and mozzarella. I'm breading and frying bocconcini, which are little mozzarella balls, and ensalata caprese. It's all about the cheese today, baby. Starting with a stuffed chicken breast, which is stuffed with a little spicy sausage and fresh mozzarella. So I got a little bit of hot sausage sauteing in my frying pan there. And now I'm just gonna mince up an onion here. We're gonna saute this a little bit. We're gonna let the onion soften up a little. So we're gonna take, I don't know, about 2 ounces. Take a couple slices. I'm gonna add it to my bowl here. And to this, I'm gonna add a little bit of my master breadcrumb. And my master breadcrumb is basically breadcrumbs which I flavored. And I flavored with a little bit of parsley, I flavored a little bit of grated cheese, a little Romano or a little Parmesan, a little bit of garlic. I put 2 tablespoons in, and that's all it needs. And this is something so easy to make. And if you need to know the recipe, go to tlc.com and check it out if you missed it. And to this, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. A little bit of black pepper. All right, and I'm gonna add my onion and sausage. Think about what's gonna be inside this chicken breast. Onion, sausage, mozzarella, a little bit of breadcrumbs. It's seasoned, it's delicious. So again, I got regular, old-fashioned chicken breast, boneless, skinless. And I take a little paring knife here. Okay, and basically, lay it on your board. You want the fat side to your knife. And you're gonna cut a little pocket in there, okay? I'm going in with the knife. I'm gonna cut a little hole. Take my stuffing mixture. Hold it like this. I'm gonna stuff this baby up. Man. So now, we're gonna do, take a toothpick, okay? We're gonna thread it through like that. We're gonna put it in our pan. This way the stuffing stays inside. And think about it, all that stuffing is gonna kind of melt. It's gonna be gooey and cheesy and delicious. So now I'm gonna keep on doing this. Now I'm gonna take my chicken, all right? I'm gonna add some black pepper to it. Gonna put some salt on, a little olive oil, a little white wine, and what this does is gonna make sure that the breasts stay moist when they bake in the oven. It's gonna create a little steam, and ooh, it's just gonna be good. And I cook these in a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Stuffed to perfection. Are you kidding me? Come on now.